Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Agnes. Today I want to show you a little bit of projects that we've been working on recently. For the last week, me and my husband have been working really hard to do a little makeover of our children's bedroom because they have grown out of their wardrobe spaces and we thought it's gonna be the best thing to do right now. So in a previous episode, I was talking to you about our project which we have been working on for the last 3 months, and that was our garage conversion into a livable space. If you wanted to watch it, I will link it in the description below. And today I want to show you another project that we've been working on, which was kind of triggered by the project of a garage renovation, because I did explain to you that one of the family members that was living with us have gone to live in that livable space, and the room that he was in has been taken by another member of family, and we had to kind of rejiggle things around. And I decided that the best thing to do would be now to redo a space in children's bedroom. So we have 3 children and the boys have one room which they share, and Angeli has her room which she uses on her own, and the bed that she was sleeping on will be moving into a space which our family member is taking. So because of that we needed another bed. So when we went Ikea shopping for wardrobes, we noticed the bed from Ikea and we thought this bed would be ideal because it's a day bed, and in case we have someone else staying over. And lately we've been having very busy household with people staying over, and it's just been really lovely to be able to host people again after the whole lockdown and pandemic and everything. So now that we have need for additional space, we have made the space available. I want to show you quickly what we did in Angeli's room, followed by what we did in boys' room. Ta-da! Excuse me. It was very nice on that grey wall, yeah? Now that you saw what we've done in her room, let me show you the reaction when she saw her room for the first time.
Wow. Oh, and you stepped out.
Like it?
Nice.
I was thinking, you want to say what the hell have you done to it?
So what do you think?
But I don't
You do need to organize this mess though,
Yeah,
because
but I don't understand how one was grey and the rest of it.
it's called featured wall. Yeah. So that the bed at least...
Run out of paint.
No, I did say not to paint this, just to clear it out and like paint back into green to what it was before. You got a little mirror above your thing now.
Yeah, I did.
And you got, did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
BTS.
Yes, I did. Yeah, I've never actually...
Do you like how I organize your
never been
books?
bothered.
If you take BTS, if you take T out of it.
Look at her collection
Yes.
of David William. Have you read all of them?
Yes, apart from going to French shirts again.
So,
Yeah.
you're gonna keep it clean?
No.
That's not the answer I was expecting. Let's start again. So, you're gonna keep it clean?
No.
That is the
I'm
wrong
being honest.
answer.
I'm being honest.
Well, you better keep it clean.
You should say, Mom, are you?
That's not nice. And now I'm going to show you the wardrobe that we've been working on in the boys' room, which is again from Ikea. It's a pack storage solution. So pack storage solution you can build yourself and kind of design however you want it. So it's really nice, but their wardrobes aren't the easiest to put together, especially in England. The floors and walls aren't always straightest. And we've had a bit of an issue with leveling up the wardrobes, but it did work out quite well in the end. And these are the wardrobes behind me. They are a little bit blurred because I'm on cinematic mode of recording, but I will show you the whole thing right now.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So now I've turned the camera around. You can see a foil still being put on the door. This is because my husband's decided that the best thing will be actually to leave it on, because boys are obviously very young at the moment and they do tend to mess around and scratch things. So I think it's a very Indian thing to do, to leave the foil on the furniture. But nevertheless, the color that you see is the color that is underneath, because that foil is see-through, so they are gray. So you can see above there is a bit of a gap. So this is one 50 centimeter long wardrobe and this is 100. So let me open it up and show you what it looks like inside. So as you open it up, it has a little light above the wardrobe. Above there are clothes that Arjun doesn't fit in anymore, and these are like a summery clothes that boys don't need to wear it at the moment. But I did get rid of a whole bag of clothes which I put over here, and that's going to go into Salvation Army. And this is how I've organized it. They've got a lot of clothes. They've probably got more clothes than me and my husband put together. And yeah, so there's 3 drawers here, and at the bottom there will be a basket, which unfortunately Ikea did not have in the day that we went to visit Ikea, and we have to wait for the basket to actually be delivered or to be in stock so we can go and pick it up. Above here is all the uniform that they wear, so they can easily just pull it out themselves. And in here I just organize the trousers. I do tend to roll it up because it's just easier, but the trousers that they wear for the school are just folded away. And here is just all the pajamas and onesies and things like that. And in the wire basket, I don't even know what I'm going to put. So let me just close this up and open another space. So this is the 50 centimeter wide cupboard, and in here is just the shelving and some baskets. The wire baskets are utilized for things like underwear. At the bottom they have their costumes, so they like to dress up and they've got quite a few costumes, so I just put them in here. And these are Arjun's t-shirts, short and long sleeve, Jay's short and long sleeve, and here are just the matching tops that they have. They try to color code it, kind of separate them in the colors. So these are all like summer clothes and some long sleeves as well. And I still got one shelf spare because I just didn't know what else to put in here. But obviously boys are now only nearly 5 years old. Jay is nearly 5 years old and Arjun is nearly 8 years old, so they haven't got a huge amount of clothes. But this wardrobe will grow with them hopefully and allow for more clothes and bigger clothes, so I will hopefully not have to replace it for another good 5, 10, 15 years. God knows how long the Ikea furniture going to stand. With Ikea furniture, once they stand and they hold. But if you move them about and you shuffle them and you start deassembling and assembling it together, they just start falling apart. So I just really hope that these furniture will last us long and serve us well. Boys,
Yeah.
come on in. It's all ready now. You can check it out.
Cheese. Whoa.
Open it up.
Whoa. What's up? How does it light up? Wait, let me check it with the other one.
The other one doesn't.
Awesome.
The other one doesn't light up because the Ikea didn't have a light strip, so we have to wait for
I
it to
really
be.
like it. What's that? Oh.
There is a space. There will be one more basket sitting there once the Ikea has the basket in stock. Fortunately, they run out of stock. Have a look at the bookshelf. What do you think of that?
I like it.
Yeah?
What do they know? Oh yeah, you're right.
All right. Would you want to say something?
Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot.
You're welcome.
And you guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching the video.
My YouTuber's in the making. Say bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like following our family life, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and engage with all the videos that you're watching, because it does really help to push the videos up into the wild world. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon. Take care.